Hi, this is Sandra Miller. The photos you see in this video are all taken at the Elephant Nature Park in ChiangMai, Thailand in February of 2008. We had my friend Diana and I went to the park to find out all about their rescue operation. Their elephants in Thailand, many are taken good care of, but there's also the ones that have been in the logging industry for years. Many are retired and working as beggars on the street and painting pictures for people and very abused in the process. Others are still logging and having their backs broken, getting hit by trucks. It's a bad situation for the Asian elephant. We got to meet quite a few wonderful elephants, including little Hope here and Jokia, who is one of the blind elephants on the property. That she went through some incredibly terrible abuse, but is doing great. They take such wonderful care of the animals there. They also rescue dogs. They had tons of dogs on the property, and they were running underneath the elephants' feet. It was pretty amazing. So if you ever find yourself in the Chiang Mai, Thailand area, please make a reservation, stop by Elephant Nature Park, and spend 3 days there. They are wonderful. They have a great volunteer program, and I just highly recommend it. You will enjoy the photos, I'm sure, and the song goes so beautifully with it. So thank you for looking.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you don't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'd understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. If there is a load you have to bear that you can't carry, I'm right up the road. I'll share your load if you just call me, call me, call me, call me, call me.